Yes. I think the one you get your rata for Sia Mori. No, you are head and Monsieur Giasia did it. Yes. They get a is it the dodo? They an animal that became extinct.
Another dinosaur.
Actually, I think those are proverbial. I think they are fiction, no? But I think the dodo as extinct as the dodo. Someone correct me. Yamusio Kasia to kind danger. The rhino.
White rhino.
Yes. It's a protected species. Nice your oge koroke we mais yori. Ureda no, una Simon Kife.
When is there Rago Sema?
Near Aguita. Ura yo Ague mire and Yambo, say a tailor and Nezericari. Hey, so there are some animals called Shiande Jardinia Oko.
Chiriwati no Akohuka.
You see, tourism here is a big deal. Nanyamusia the community use a king. Atari. They will head Yamusia of the mountain bongo. Yes. Actually, Miakadia 1973. What we call they were over 500. And Namatukuma told they only like 100 remaining. We put the share to get to US in the 7th test. Yes. Sikiro other Gomasi Yaridan. They will Russia or Wagata Toruas Yori. No answer Kyoko.
My Oko.
Yes.
Yes.
No, you're gonna get a modo. Which one is the female? Is the Harika or is the which one? The Moate and the Harika.
And Harika,
yes. Yika, Yaruri. Muruni Asoka, okay? They look like it's okay, your
I'm going to look here. Atatoka, Nirokana.
Nirwakato from the 70s. Yes, yes. You know, my okay, your bongo position in Muhira. Amodo, you tell me you are okay.
Mountain bongo.
Yes. Nasira is okay, your woku. Nasidoki, all the way from Florida. Sigas of your Ikineri Amaguka.
Right the roto, Kakoko. We
are not in danger, not today. Give one. The mountain bongo this year. The trash okay, you walk up. It was the hour of Atatu. Yes. No more Florida. I think they were taken to mail. Dear class guy, you can American. I think they got out to marry no more. Unless it is Noah's Ark.
Oh, no, I got it.
Now, God, you can hear you. You know, I can get Mutito. No, Horror, I'm an Eco.
Well, guess you mean Florida.
Florida, a conservancy in Florida.
It had a home middle.
Yes. Namarare, how much you roll it? On I never actually in Malavia. Usema kweli hizi asijaparara kama zapa.
Hii mnyama
hii hata inakaa red meat. Mara moka na mero hizi muogelea. Mumenyele mwali ya nyamu wadogo.
Hii nasikia wanasema endangered.
Wanasema endangered sasa. Wamesema tusikule hii. Nesi kwa baikanga teruwa nenyeki.
Itonya kia Florida na mero itige hanana.
Siapa sigiro na goko mawera.
Na bigai. Florida kotige kwa kule bigai.
Bigai ndio.
Tonya potwe. Very irritating to ng'ombe na manyumba kama very uncomfortable.
Oh, they look like sassafras. Yes.
Bigai. Very irritating. Florida kotige kwa kule bigai.
Yes. Luego pues sí como sio bode goko ma. Na bigai sio. Ay, yo decir ya. What's going on?
Where is this?
Hey, Fred. Fred. Man, this guy's speeding so much. I understand they carry me around.
Yeah, they not in you, Macola Florida.
Yeah, no sé si acá hay flores y
it's a place of your forefathers.
Yeah. Pues, Florida lo hago. De ir a agua,
Kondo kou.
Dia sio tukwa kaya todo kujia sio kile kindu February ya uka odire kira.
I think Jirokira sometimes late last week.
Yes. Ne jira fatara ko whether or there are priest.
I'm going to call therapist ya nyamu.
Yes. You don't know how they are faring. Tono siara kilio motitu. They are also at the danger of. Ve mero di na one ho itimit.
Yona yeye nyamu eno nenga ni go. Oya.
Sio go siye. Hey, top shot abuda. Ve mero di na nyamu siara kajiwa siara ya rodio miro kweli yero akole asiba. Baba.
Hii ni gani?
Mufasa. Mufasa. Hii nao ni gani baba? Najua hii haihitaji toothpick. Hii hata ni umese kichwa kama capsule zikapasukia kwa tumbo.
Imetoka Florida.
Kero hizi ni za Florida baba. Hizi sisi ndio tunatavunanga hapa tunasemusa kwanza ndio ziwe softi. Hizi ni mbongo softi. Hii hata akakimbi unajua sipendi tena kula kitu haikimbi.
Neiko maka, neiko ya culture show.
They will have a culture show. Of course, they are planning, which is very good. She has Rebecca Miano. We have a plan, we should grow. She can get 700.
Oh, isi yarande.
Yes.
Nema we isi yadara mahuti. Na shube.
Yes. No, they are in the wild. Of course, Korea is here in custody. Joe kile mini haremwe. I think how many bong never to that? I think Joe has like 2 or 4 mountain bongos. Yes. You don't go to college. Ale mana hota hosi. Ale mena mahuti.
Ale.
Joe kile mini.
Wake ko na mahuti.
Mara ke isiarane. Siarane idano. Yato ya ikioke. Yes. Todo it is not easy. Todo osikoria ginya 700 is a plan that is 2050. You see, she let her ngobe. Taro ngobe gazi ato sa oikomine miaka igana.
Nego take time.
And todo ngobe kuwa mwana 9 months like a human being. I think it's around the same thing for mountain bongos. Miarike dari. Nekuwa miakeo igana. 20k.
2025.
Miaka 25 ri. Dekia to shao 25. Ado hene idari ya kuo gili.
Another natural factors.
Yeah. So naturally you give it around 5 cows. Yes. Mwodo na mahuti ni murakiurio.
Mwodo na futhi wa mahuti.
Wethe uhiuta agikama kana kwendia wi nyama. Ndio kile midagire ya mountain bongo. They are protected by the state. Yes. Yes, you may look here. Oh, what's happening? What's going on? I've never seen that. I gotta calm down, Carol. It's gonna be all right. We are on safari.
It's the land of your ancestors.
We are on safari. We are gonna go back home soon. It's gonna be all right. Can I go? Ain't nowhere we're going. We ain't going nowhere. We're gonna die here. See those lions over there? Please see me the other corner. Is he in captivity? Oh, look at that lion. He looks friendly. Let him go near him. He's gonna make you dinner. He's gonna eat you. I'm back. How is he? On a happy bad. So, okay, you may not do nothing when you oh my gosh, who is this? I'm from the Elephant Man. You're in Africa. You see, not Geo World. You're in the Sahara. We're gonna die here. We're not gonna make it back. We're not going back to Florida. We're gonna die here. Natoria melody, please. Watikari ya heni.
Ai comida potema aí.